Okay, so we start off with a little silicone mould. This one I picked up from Amazon, and use a needle and thread and just thread the wick through the centre at the base of the mould like so, and pull it through the middle so it sticks out the top with a little bit of extra, just so you've got plenty of space. Then you need two little lollipop sticks either side of the hole, because the wax will be flush with the top of the mould. And I use a peg to hold the wicks in place, and if I didn't put the little lollipop sticks there, I'd end up with the peg attached to the bottom of the candle and potentially break it when I removed it. So as you can see, it looks like that. You've got to make sure that the wick is nice and tight and straight, and I find pegs work really well for this, so I just use clothes pegs. And then it's just a case of melting the wax in a pan. I use paraffin wax for the owls because I've done tests, and the soy wax, even though it's a pillar blend, it's not working for the owls. So I melt some soy wax in a container like this. And then once you've removed, you leave the wax to set in the mould for a couple of hours. I sometimes leave it overnight, and then when you pop it out the mould, you just open the end of the mould and then just push from the top of the mould, and it pops out, and you have a little owl candle. And like I said, it's best to make these out of paraffin wax, because you need a harder wax for these, because it's basically like a pillar candle. And if you make these out of soy wax, they just melt. As you can see, this one was a blend of, on this little bit of video footage, it was a blend of soy and paraffin, which didn't work. So make sure you use paraffin wax for these, or maybe beeswax would probably be better. But I will do some more videos making these with different waxes and testing them out. And that's it. That's how to make an owl shaped candle. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure as well you use the tiniest, like the thinnest wick you can find as well, by the way. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.